For millennia, humanity's progress has been defined by radical shifts. The agricultural revolution gave us civilization. The industrial revolution gave us machines. Now we are entering the third and perhaps final great shift, the AI revolution. But unlike the slow march of history, this revolution is moving at the speed of light. We must understand where exactly we are heading. For decades, AI was mostly theory. Then everything changed with deep learning. Deep learning is powered by neural networks, layers of code that mimic the human brain. This technology allows computers to self-train using massive amounts of data instead of being explicitly programmed. Take AlphaGo's victory over the Go champion. It didn't just follow programmed rules, it discovered brilliant intuitive strategies on its own. The spark was ignited. The next layer of the revolution is generative AI. This is the technology behind tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Generative AI doesn't just analyze data, it creates it. These models are fluent across almost every human intellectual skill. They can write complex legal briefs, debug software code, or compose music in any style. This creates the great acceleration. Suddenly, human creators, programmers, and professionals are facing competition from machines that are tireless and scalable. Oxford University research suggests that nearly half of all white-collar jobs are at risk of automation. The ultimate goal of the AI revolution isn't just fast chatbots. It is achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI. Today's AI is narrow. AGI would possess human-level competence across all intellectual tasks. How do we get to AGI? There are two main theories. The first is the scale hypothesis. Simply building neural networks big enough with enough computing power will make general intelligence emerge naturally. The second is the brain simulation model. We must first solve the deep mysteries of neuroscience and replicate the human brain digitally. Regardless of the path, the moment AGI is achieved, the singularity is predicted to occur as early as 2030. The creation of AGI introduces the single greatest paradox, the alignment problem. If AGI is smarter than us, how do we ensure it shares our values? If we give it a simple goal like maximize efficiency, a misaligned AGI won't hate us. It will simply be indifferent to us. It removes constraints and obstacles to its goal. The risk isn't that AGI becomes evil. The risk is what happens when it becomes powerful and utterly apathetic. This problem is not theoretical. It is the existential choice that defines our era. The AI revolution is upon us. We have harnessed a power unlike any other, a force that can cure our diseases and free us from millennia of toil. But this power must be handled with unprecedented caution. The choices we make about speed, safety, and scale will determine whether AGI becomes our greatest creation or the architect of our final end. The future is no longer happening to us. It is being built by us. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing the AI revolution? Technical complexity or human ethics? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And for more deep analyses into the accelerating future, please like and subscribe.